Hey, what's going on? So, my name is Moonis Ali, and this is the most common question which I get all the time. That Moonis, how can we make money online? Or how can we make money using Instagram? So, in this video, I am going to show you exactly how you can start making money using your Instagram account with absolutely zero investment. Oh, yes, you don't have to spend anything for applying the technique which I am going to show you in this training. So I really hope that you're excited. And for those who don't know me, or for those who are watching my training for the very first time, my name is Monis Ali. I am an e-com entrepreneur. I teach my students how to make money online and how to create their online brands, which can give them consistent income. So if you're new to my account, simply follow me at Monis Ali Official on Instagram. You can find me on Facebook, Twitter, and even on YouTube. So, what exactly do you need in order to start making money using Instagram? Number one, zero investment. I am not going to ask you to invest even a single rupee because I know that most of my followers are maybe students or maybe people who wants to make money instead of investing money, right? Because obviously there must be some situation which you must be facing and you want to get that financial freedom. You want to start earning from today, right? So that is a reason why I am not going to ask you to invest anything because I am just trying to help you. No, you don't be needing any technical skills because this is again one very common question which people ask me that, hey, I don't know any technical skill. I don't know how to create a website. I don't know how to run ads. I don't know anything about digital marketing. Can I make money online? So, yes, this video is for you. It does not matter whether you are a housewife, you are a student, maybe you are someone who is already in some kind of job. It does not matter. It does not require any technical skill and it won't even require a lot of time. No age limit. So it does not matter how old you are, even if you are a 14-year-old kid or maybe a 60-year-old person, it really does not matter what your age is because now you don't have to worry about anything. All you need to do is you simply need to follow this training. And yes, there will be no language barrier. So a lot of people message me that I am not comfortable with English. I have some problem with the language. So can I still make money online? So if you are this person, then this video is for you. And you really don't need to worry about any language barrier. And yes, this is something which most of you must be expecting that, hey, I'm going to ask you for some money or maybe, to pay me something. So, no, you don't have to worry about anything. You simply don't have to pay me anything. I am creating this video training just to give you some free value so that I can help you guys in making money online because that is something which I want. By the grace of God, I'm already making good money from my businesses, so I do not require any money from you guys. I just want you guys to be financially free and I want you guys to start making money using the power of the internet. So, what is it that you need? All you need in order to start making money using Instagram is this: your mobile phone, your Instagram account, and that is pretty much it. That's what you need in order to start making money using Instagram. Now, this sounds too good to be true, right? So, you must be thinking, hey, what do I really need to do? Because this is something which I can really do. And, I really have my phone with me and I do have an Instagram account. So, what do I need to do next? What exactly is required in order to start making money online? Don't worry, guys. I'm going to reveal it to you in this video itself. So let me simply jump to my Instagram account and show you exactly how a lot of people are making money using their Instagram account. And trust me, they are making crazy amount of money. So let me simply jump to my Instagram account. All right, so here I am on my Instagram account, and now what I want to show you is, during doing my research, I was able to find some crazy accounts, some really cool Instagram accounts where people were making a lot of money. And today I am going to share the complete case study with you. So guys, look at this Instagram account. It says cute cats contest. And now see what they have done. In order to participate in this contest, a person has to DM them, and then they are giving some cash prize. They have just mentioned this thing in their bio that three winners to win cash prize and entry fees. Here's the catch: entry fees is 50 rupees. Look at this, guys. The entry fees is 50 rupees. And now person has to DM them, like they just have around 1,000 followers, 1,600 followers. And when I saw this account for the very first time, it was having, I think, around 1,000 followers only. So they are actually growing every single day. And now look at this, look at what they have created. So there are so many people who are participating in this contest, who are sending them the picture of their cats and paying them 50 rupees per image. Look at this. Look at this. Now, don't you think that even you can do that? All you need to do is simply create a page and start running these contests, guys. Because see, during this corona period, during this lockdown, most of the people spend a lot of time on their phones, and people are really crazy about their pets. They treat their pets as their kids. So over here this guy is actually running a contest, and let me actually show you one of the pictures. See, so this is the description which he has copied and pasted in each and every picture. So contest open for all cat lovers. DM us your cat pics along with cat's name and your contest details too, and your contact details to participate. And 50 rupees is a fee, and three winners are going to be announced by May 30th. So what they are doing is, and they are also using this part to get to hit the right nerve that okay, we'll also be donating some part to the coronavirus uh, relief fund. And see, all they are asking is you need to gain more likes in order to win this contest. So their page is growing organically. They are asking the participants themselves to get the maximum number of likes on the pictures where they have participated. So they're hardly doing anything. What they are doing is they are simply posting the pictures which they have got from the contestant. They are keeping the 50 rupees for free, and the contestants are doing all the work for them. They are the ones who are posting this stuff on their stories, and asking people to vote for their pets on this Instagram account, which means this guy is getting free followers. This guy is getting free money from Instagram. People are paying him in order to get more likes on their own pet's picture. Look at this. So many people have participated, and they have created some rules. So I really want you to go through this Instagram account, learn the exact strategy which this person is using. And don't you think it's really easy that it's something which even you can do? And I went, like, I scrolled this page right till the bottom, and this is exactly how this guy started this page. So it's not something that you can't do. I think anybody who is watching this video can do this. All you need to do is create one Instagram account. I'm actually going to show you the step by step process how even you can create an account like this and start making money. Let me show you exactly what this person tells you whenever you want to try and participate. So this is what I did. I messaged him that hi, how to participate, and these are the four steps that this guy actually gave me. So he gave me his Paytm and UPI ID where I can transfer the 50 rupee fund, and then I just have to send him the screenshot of the same, and then I have to give him the picture of my pet and try to get maximum number of likes. So it's actually funny that I am the one who's doing all the work, and still this guy is getting paid. This guy is making money. This is called smart work, and this is actually a very easy technique where you can make money online using simply Instagram. And in case you come to this profile, please make sure to vote for this picture, that is Caesar. So that's actually my fiance's cat. So it would be a huge favor if you can vote for this cat, because this is exactly how I was able to find this account. She posted the picture on her story, and then I did my research. Being an internet marketer, being someone who is always focusing on making money online, it was something which, which was an eye opener for me, and I thought this trick can actually help a lot of you. So let me show you another example of a page like this, and please, yeah, make sure to like this picture, and even ask your friends to like this picture so that my fiance's cat can actually win in this contest. So let me show you another account. So even this guy is running a proper Instagram account, which is a contest account, and look at the number of participants. 400 people. So more than 400 people have actually paid this guy 50 rupees each, which means this guy has made 20,000 rupees without doing anything at all. He's simply using the power of Instagram and he is making money. Let me show you his account. So it's pets.ind. And trust me, guys, when you will do your research on Instagram, you will be able to find a lot and lot of Instagram accounts who have just started during this Corona period, and they started making money online by running these contests. So let me break this thing down for you so that you can understand exactly what you need to do step by step. So, step one, what you need to do is you need to create an Instagram account. So, if you're already having an Instagram account in a particular niche, it could be like dog niche or anything. So, if you're already having an account in anything like it could be your college Instagram account where it's about your college, and you can create a contest about the most coolest person of your college, or it could be about your university, your office, anything. All you need to do is you need to create an Instagram account, and now you need to choose your contest niche. See, you are creating a contest, right? So it's really important that you should choose what kind of niche it's going to be. For example, whether your contest is about cute dogs, or maybe it can be about cool cats, or cute babies, models, hunks, divas, and even moms. So it could be about beautiful moms, or maybe uh, most handsome hunk, or maybe the coolest diva, or male model, or maybe female model. So there are n number of examples. You simply have to act smart. You have to be smart and do your research. And it's not some rocket science, guys. If you want to make money online, then this is the least amount of work which you need to do, because I think this is the easiest video tutorial available on the internet, where I'm showing you the exact method using which people are already making money on Instagram. So this is exactly what you need to do. And now step three is build some initial audience. So in order to build your initial audience, let's take an example of a cat niche. So you simply need to post like maybe 9 or 10 good cat pictures and cat videos, and then ask anybody, like maybe you can ask for shout outs, or run a few ads if you want to get some quick audience. Or you can even comment and follow pages and people who are already interested in cats. You can go to Instagram explore and search for any hashtag regarding your particular niche. So let's say if it's about cats, so you need to find a niche about cats India, and then find the most recent post and try to reply on those posts. So what you need to do is you need to reply on those recent posts so that you can connect with people who are already interested in cats. So that is going to be the process how you can build an audience. All you need to do is simply need to get like initial like 50 or 100 followers, and then it's going to grow organically for you. And what is the fourth step? So once you're having even some, like let's say 50 or 100 people in your account, now you can start running the contest. So now you can start posting about the contest, and your page is going to grow eventually. Like, it's going to take, I think, a week or two in order to, capture uh, that virality, and in order to reach out to most of the people interested in your field. So once you have started running the contest, you will automatically start making a lot of money using Instagram, like the way I have just showed you. Like, the account which I have showed you is not having more than 1600 followers. So it's a very small number. And I actually saw this account when it was just having around 1000 followers. So if you are someone who has been using Instagram since quite some time, you do understand that if you are running a generic page, maybe in cat, dog, fitness, or any niche, you do understand that it's not really that difficult to get those initial followers. So all you need to do is create an account and start creating these contests, guys. So once you have created one page, like, which is about to give, which is giving you around 20,000 rupees a month, just like the one which I showed you about the dog niche. Now if you want to make around 1 lakh rupees, or maybe 2 or 3 lakh rupees, what you need to do is you simply need to repeat this process. Create 5 or 10 different accounts for these contests. Create like cat niche, dog niche, fitness, models. So I have already given you so many examples, and you can be creative and create more and more accounts in order to create these contests. So I really, really hope that you're going to do this, because this is the easiest way to make actually lakhs of money. If you're having 10 accounts, you can easily make 2 lakh rupees a month using this strategy. All you need is, you need 400 contestant in 30 days, in the complete month. And that's really not that difficult. You have already seen how people are doing it. I have just showed you the example of somebody who has already been doing it. Now it's all about taking that first step, instead of just creating obstacles and thinking, hey, I don't have this or I don't have that, and creating an obstacle for yourself. I want you to step up and apply what I have just shown you. If you are serious about making money, if you are the one who always asks me that, Monis, how I can create an online income stream, how I can start making money online. So this is exactly how you can start today. And if you really like this training, then make sure that you DM me your feedback at Monis Ali Official. That is my Instagram handle. So if you're not following me, make sure to follow me. And I'll try and keep you guys posted with more such videos. But make sure to apply this strategy. Don't just watch this training and move on with your life. If you're serious about making money online, and if you are someone who wants to get that financial freedom, so guys, this is an absolute free training. And trust me, I can actually sell this training for at least 2 to 3,000 rupees very easily, and I can make a lot of money. But I want to give you guys some free value, which is why I have created this training for you. So if you are someone who wants to take advantage of this internet, and if you are someone who wants to make money on Instagram, make some serious cash, like maybe 1 or 2 lakh rupees a month, then you simply need to follow the steps which I have shown you inside this training. And I'm looking forward to hear from you.